Hello friends, today we are going to solve some examples on the circumference and related concepts. Example is given to you that the circumference of a circle is 198 meter. Find its radius. Okay, so radius we have to find in the example. Hmm? And diameter also we have to find. Hmm? Radius and diameter we have to find. So here it is given to us that radius and diameter, find its radius and diameter. Circumference is given, radius is to be find and diameter is to be also find. So we start the sum here, the solution. In solution what we can write down? We can write down the given information. Circumference is given to you. So So in this example, we can use the formula for circumference, that is circumference. We use the letter C for that. We have to find the radius, so we use the formula for using the radius. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Very simple formula over there. Very simple formula is there. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now it is given to you that circumference is 198, so find the values over there, fill up the values. 2 then into radius for pi, value of pi is 22 upon 7 and into r. So therefore, now what is the next step? This step is only filling the values. What would be the next step? So next step, we transpose this 2 to the denominator side. So we get here 22 upon 7 into r. Then 198 upon 2 into 27 upon 22 upon 7 converted to 7 upon 22 when we change their side. Now what is remain our RHS? Only R. Means we transpose 2. 2 was the numerator, it becomes the divisor or denominator. And the fraction 22 upon 7 becomes 7 upon 22. Reciprocal we have to take. Now 198 and 2 we can divide it. 2 ones are 2. 2 nines are 18. Remainder 1 again 8. 9s are 18. Now 22 and 99. These are in the table of 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 nines are 99. Now 9 upon 2, it is not divisible. 7 upon 2 is not also divisible. So for calculation, we got the number 9 into 7 upon 2. So 9 sevens are 63 by 2, means we have to make it half. 60 half we get 30 and 3 half we get 1 and a half. So 31.5 is the answer we got of R, that is radius is equal to 31.5 centimeter. That would be our radius. And what about the diameter? Now D is equal to 2R is equal to 2 into 31.5. 31 2s are 62 and 0.5 1. 62 plus 1 63. So diameter is equal to 63. Therefore, we can write down the answer. Therefore, radius of the given circle is 31.5 centimeter and the diameter of the circle is equal to 63. Twice of the radius is diameter, so 63 centimeter. So these answers we have to write down at the last of the solution and box the answer so that it would be highlighted. Okay. Okay friends, we are going to solve the second example. In that example, it is given to you radius, circumference is given, not radius, circumference is given to you, and the diameter is asked to find. So, circumference of circle is 62.80 centimeter. Taking pi, value of pi 3.414, find its diameter. So in solution we have written here circumference C is equal to pi d. Why we use pi d? Because we have to find the diameter only, not radius. So here that formula we have used in this case. Now filling the values, circumference 62.80, value of pi 3.14 and value of d is d. Now 62.80 is converted into 6280 upon 100. 3.14 is also converted into 314 upon 100. Why upon 100? Because there are two decimal places, 0.80, 0.14, two decimal places are there. Now next part which we are going to solve, that is on the LHS we have 6280 upon 100 and on right hand side with D we have 314 upon 100. We should take the reciprocal and transpose it. So 314 upon 100 is transpose, is reciprocal would be taken over here. 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100. Now 314, 3 2s are 6, 14 2s are 28, 628. So this is the hint. 628 is twice of 314. 0 0. So here we get what we get after calculation. 20 is equal to D. That we get. But we have to find the diameter. So that is D is equal to 20 centimeter. So here we find the diameter of the circle which is given to you. Find its diameter. Therefore, the diameter of a circle or given circle, diameter of the circle is 20 centimeter. Okay, 20 centimeter is our answer. Any question regarding this part? Okay, then please write down the solution. Practice set 42. Here we are going to solve the practice set 42. First sum, we are going to take here the first sum. So practice set 42, question number 1. Question number 1 we are going to solve. In that question number 1, first sum is given to you. In that radius is given. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter, and we have to find the diameter and the circumference. We have to find the diameter and circumference. Okay. Now, as the radius is given, we have to use the circumference formula using radius. So, formula we can use circumference. First of all, we have to take the radius and then we can find the circumference. First question is about the diameter. So, we just solve that question first about the diameter. So, here radius is equal to 7 centimeter. It is given. Therefore, diameter D, formula for diameter is equal to 2 into R, 2 into 7, 7 2s are 14. So, D is equal to, diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. Now, here we can find the circumference by using the formula of the circumference. Let's start to write down the formula and then. So now circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Both the formulas now we can use because we have diameter also. So pi d is also the formula for the circumference, and 2 pi r is also used because r is known to you. 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is also 7. Okay. So for calculations we have these numbers: 2 into 22 into 7 upon 7. Denominator is same, 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. The numbers remain for calculation: 2 into 22, result is 44. So 44 centimeter. 44 centimeter is our answer. Therefore, circumference is equal to, circumference is equal to 44 centimeter. Two questions asked you. First question is diameter and second one is the diameter, circumference. So first answer we take right down. Therefore, diameter D is equal to 14 centimeter, box to it, comma, circumference C is equal to 44 centimeter. So this is the answer. Please write down the answer. If you have any query, just feel free to ask me. So therefore, next sum we are going to solve here. Second sum number 2. This is sum number 2. In sum number 2, diameter is given 28 centimeter. We have to find the radius r and circumference. These two things we have to find. Circumference C we have to find. Okay, we just carry out this sum and try to solve it. So, in solution, diameter is given, radius is to find. First we have to find the radius, the given information, diameter, D is equal to 28 centimeter. Now radius R is half of the diameter. That is half of the 28, and half of 28, as we know, 14. So here we get the radius 14 centimeter. Now circumference, formula for the circumference. Circumference is equal to, as we have given the diameter, so pi d, not 2 pi r, pi d formula would be easier for you. Value of pi 22 upon 7, value of d is 28. There is only one denominator, that is 7. Numerators are 2, 22 and 28. 7 ones are 7. 28 is multiple of 7. 7 fours are 28. For calculation, we have 22 into 4, that is 88. So here we got the circumference, and that is 88 centimeter. Two things they asked you. They asked you about the radius. So radius R is equal to 14 centimeter. We have to box it. And circumference, CIR, CUM, circumference, C is equal to 88 centimeter. 88 centimeter. So thus we have found two the facts over there. Okay. Okay, last one, the third sum we are going to take here. The third sum, today's last sum, circumference is provided to you. You have to find the radius. So here we just write down the formula for the circumference. That is, circumference is equal to, C is equal to pi into D, or 2 pi r, whatever the formula you use, pi d formula we take here. 616 is equal to 22 by 7 into D. Now 22 by 7 will be converted into reciprocal 7 by 22. When it transports, side change, operation change. Okay. So for calculation, we have now 616 into 7 upon 22 we have here. Now we calculate by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 0 0, 2 8s are 16. Now 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, carry your 8. So 11 eights are. So here we get 28 into 7. As answer we get 28 into 7. We get 196 is equal to D. So diameter is here provided is 196. So in last we can write down that is D is equal to 196 centimeter. From D we can find the R because R means radius is half of the D. As radius is equal to D upon 2, that is 196 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16. So 98 centimeter would be the radius of the circle. So therefore diameter, two things we have found here as they asked you, that is diameter D is equal to 196 centimeter, box that answer, and radius, that is R, which is half of the diameter, 98 centimeter. So these are the two answers of the questions they asked you to solve. I hope that you all like that video. You just solve these sums with me and cleared your concept. So please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe my channel Guru Krupa Classes Narayan Pet, so that you can get more videos to study maths. Goodbye, see you, bye bye, have a nice day.